The Supreme Court has directed the Centre to constitute a committee within 2 weeks to frame a uniform national policy on post-retirement benefits for former High Court judges. A bench comprising Chief Justice Suryakant and Justices Joymala Bagchai and V. Mohana said there was a lack of uniformity across states in providing benefits such as security, drivers, and accommodation in government guest houses while retired judges travel. The court directed the proposed committee to submit its recommendations within 3 months. The observations came while hearing a contempt petition filed by Justice V.S. Dave, President of the Association of Retired Judges of the Supreme Court and High Courts. During the hearing, the Chief Justice questioned whether the financial assistance provided by some states was sufficient to hire a driver and security personnel. He remarked that it would be difficult to arrange both for 45,000 to 50,000 rupees and stressed that uniform standards were needed across the country. The bench told Solicitor General Tushar Mehta that if the centre did not constitute the committee, the court would have to do so. In response, Mehta informed the court that the government had no objection to setting up the panel.